Yes, this is one of the video lecture which was on the topic of artificial intelligence. So let us first have a definition of AI. What is an AI? The study of how to make computers or programs to do things that people do better at present. So that is what we will call as artificial intelligence. In other terms, we can tell that we will make machines to do the things better than what humans do now. That can be another definition. So we are having so many definitions about artificial intelligence, or in other terms we can tell the science which deals with how to make machines intelligent. So that's what we can call an AI. Then, what are the main fields where AI is applicable? So, AI is applicable in all the fields like engineering and in computation, in healthcare industry, in everywhere AI is applicable. Okay, so right, and the fields where the AI should be binded up to get the total thing is all the computer science we need to have because of the computer science background. Then we need to learn about the cognitive science, which deals about how thinking of the machines can be developed. Then about the psychology is also needed for the artificial intelligence, and philosophical point of view of artificial intelligence is also important, because there are so many unethical things which should not be dealt in the AI machines. Then linguistics, which is one of the field which deals with the language, how the language should be processed, how the language should be understood, and all those. Then last field is regarding the neuroscience, which tells about how our brain works and how the data stores in the brain and how the data will be processed, all those things. Okay, so by having all these subdomains we can able to develop an AI uh, thing here. Then there are so many definitions what we have just now discussed here. Okay, then there is one important test called as the Turing test. So what is this test here? This test is devised to test that a machine is intelligent or not. So there was a scientist Alan Turing in 1950. He devised a test called as Turing test. So the thing is very simple. The setup of the Turing test is very simple, where we are having two compartments. In one compartment, a human is sitting. In another compartment, a machine is there. A machine means an AI machine. Then there will be a third person who is going to interrogate with these two compartments by using textual communication, we can say. So the human is going to give questions to both of the compartments, in which one we are having a human, in another we are having a AI machine, and that interrogator is getting the answers back from that. Then the interrogator need to identify that which is a machine and which is a human. And the real test is that if the interrogator can able to find that this is the compartment where machine is there, that means that the AI machine has failed to pass the Turing test. The goal of the AI machine sitting in the compartment is to hide itself from the human interrogator, such that it should give the answers in such a way that the human interrogator can't find that in which compartment machine is there, in which compartment human is there. This was the benchmark test, which was taken from long 1950s, and still it is continuing. Okay, so right, we are having so many AI modules, what we can tell called as Eliza, which is there in the market, and we are having our own Google voice support is there, which can also work as the AI machine module. Okay, so for all these we are having some rules. So, and by using that rule set, one of the rule will get fired and answer will be given to the person here. So that's what we can tell here.